What's in the box of the PJ2 GPS radio? We're really excited about this new radio. Slide cover comes off and the box expands and all the good stuff's right inside. We have the user manual, the radio itself, the antenna. This snaps onto the top. This is the AC wall plug. Has a type C port that you plug the cable into. All the battery packs and cables are down here at the bottom. The PJ2 GPS comes with 2 battery packs, a lithium-ion rechargeable one and an alkaline battery pack. It uses 6 AA batteries. This is the charging cable that plugs into the wall adapter as well as the side of the unit. Then we have some belt clips and a wrist strap.